Using Hulu gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to add funds to your Hulu account for streaming services. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Visit the Hulu website. Go to the official Hulu website by entering www.hulu.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen and selecting account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find the Redeem Gift Card option. In your account settings, look for the option that says Redeem Gift Card or Add Funds. This section is typically located under Billing or Payment options. Step 4. Enter gift card code. Carefully enter the unique code found on your Hulu gift card. Make sure there are no typos, as this can prevent successful redemption. Step 5. Confirm and apply. After entering the code, click on the Redeem or Apply button. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that the funds have been successfully added to your account. Now you can enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Hulu using your gift card balance. Happy watching!